Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to enable or disable autoplay animations in messages on the iPhone. So, today in front of me is the iPhone 12 with the iOS 17.4, but it really doesn't matter which iPhone you have or which version of the iOS you have, it is all going to work the same. So if you are doing this on the iPhone 14 or 15, the steps are going to be the same. So what you want to do is to go to the settings, then swipe down, go to the accessibility. Once you are here, go to the motion, and then you have the option called autoplay message effects. So as you might know, the messages on the iPhone have some effects. If you open them, like hearts and for example the party stuff, if you are going to deselect the autoplay message effects, you need to just tap or allow to the message effects to come to your screen. But if you turn this feature on, the autoplay is going to be on and everything is going to play once you open the specific message, like the specific contact in your messages. But if you turn off this feature, the autoplay is going to be off. So again, how to get to it? Go to the settings. So open the settings app, then go to the accessibility, then go to the motion, and then you have autoplay message effects. So this is it. Thanks for watching. I hope this video helped you. If it did, please leave a like and consider to subscribe to our channel. Bye.